Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. How you guys doing? I hope you had a good trading week last week. I wanted to do a video about losses because I observed that in the trading space, we rarely post videos about losses, and most of the time we just end up posting wins, and I'm sure that newbies might feel that we don't take losses as well. So I wanted to do this video to talk about this loss I took on gold sometime last week. I think on Thursday, okay, Wednesday. So I took the loss into Thursday. So what happened on this trade actually? That's the first question. What happened on this trade? Let's go to the big time frames. Let's start from, let's say, top down analysis from like the weekly time frame, so you can see what I was looking at. So obviously you can see gold has been bullish for the past years, and if you observe how this year started off with an initial bullish move, but started dropping down aggressively for the past 6 months now. Let's now go down to the daily time frame so you can see what I was looking at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you can see that it's a clear downtrend. This is a clear downtrend. What is a downtrend? Basic market structure. When you see higher highs and higher lows, that's basic downtrend. So this is a high, this is a low. Now comparing this high with this previous high, this high is lower than this previous high, so this is a lower high. Then we have a low that's lower than the previous low, a lower low, a lower high again. So once you can see consecutive lower lows and lower highs, you are in a downtrend. So obviously we are in a downtrend on gold on the daily time frame. So all I was just looking for was how I could take sell entries, sell trades. So now I went down to the 4-hour time frame. I was looking for what the initial trend was saying at the time. So if you observe, I had like a order block trade somewhere here that I've taken long time ago, but I was still looking at the market reacting to this zone, and since we haven't gotten to this liquidity under here, I see suspect the market dropping to clears out this liquidity. So we are still in further sales. So I went down to the 1-hour time frame and I saw this zone. I saw this zone reacting to the price at the time. So this was CPI, and after CPI, I saw that the market could not just keep above this zone. So I wanted to take a sell under this zone. So I was looking for a retest of this zone. So when price came back into this zone, I had obviously my entry on lower time frame, and I was looking for 3R. When I took the entry on that, I had a tight stop loss because I didn't want to put my SL above the whole zone, because I knew that if I was going to be right, it will actually turn from here. But since I'm not a market maker, obviously, so I can be right in the direction, but my timing can still be wrong. So obviously my direction was right, but my timing was wrong. So I was targeting 3R, but if I had been in the trade for wins, I would have still held on to this liquidity. So what happened was it came down to about 1.5R or so. Yeah, more than that. Then started rushing to my SL. Then it took me out. Then it continued going downward. So if you see this as a SMC trader, you might say I didn't wait up for a general liquidity, or basically how you guys call it. But I don't really trade the concept the way it is being portrayed online. I trade what I have studied. So what I study say I should take my entry here, not here. And if I even go down to smaller time frame, I don't see my entry after this week out of my zone. I don't see another entry there. So definitely I would have not seen a trade if I was waiting for this entry. And I don't take trades without confirming my entries. If I don't see a lower structure market downtrend move, I can't take the trade. This is a high, this is a low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high. So obviously this is my confirmation entry and I'm in. But in this place I can't see any tangible confirmations to enter the trade, and it was even out of my trading session, which was midnight Nigerian time. Around here was around midnight Nigerian time, where some entries were trying to form. So I could not take trade around 12 o'clock in the night because I was probably sleeping, and it was It was against my rule. So looking at it from a bigger perspective, yes, definitely you feel bad that you take a loss, but the idea is that I predicted the direction right, but my stop loss was just haunted before the market made the move. So um what to do on the trade now is to observe and try to get better on how to time the entries in a better way. I'm changing nothing in my strategy. I'm changing because I made this loss now does not mean I'm going to change my entire process because I'm losing or I took a loss. You get so definitely if I was wrong with this, does not mean I'll be wrong with my next trade or the next trade after that. So it's a matter of sticking to that one approach and going on it back to back. Don't allow the market phase you. Yes, this will happen. This can happen. It is normal for it to happen. But don't now start changing your system because of you just took one loss. You now make a system where okay, maybe I'm gonna be widening my stop loss because I want to accommodate weak outs. Guess what? What does it do to my risk to reward? Reduces it. And that's already affecting the edge in my trading system. So I'm changing nothing. If I say trade again, I'll take it again exactly like this. So I hope you guys learned that because you took a loss does not mean that your system is broken. So please make sure you do your studies on why you took a loss and how to get better. But please don't try to change your system because of one loss or two losses. So keep it going. I hope you guys have a good trading week next week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed and God bless you.